Hey Lori, this is Dave. I wanted to run through posting discussion topics. Let me just show you what the last post you put up looks like. This is the writing today. And here's your post. And as you can see, it's pretty much one huge block. And there's some code in here. So it's really unreadable, all right? So what I've got to ask you to do is to do something a little different. So I'm using Safari right now, and you can do this with Safari or Chrome or really anything. When you make a new discussion topic, put in a title, and okay, so you can write your piece in here, okay? And if you're writing in here, you're certainly adding returns, and if you need to link something, you're using the link buttons here, right? Okay, you're opening things in a new window so you don't take people away. And that's the basic, okay? Now, let's say you're not doing this, and what you're actually doing is cutting and pasting. So I have a document here that's a Word document, and I'm going to select some text, and I'm going to paste it in. I'll pretend this is my post. Okay? Now I've just pasted this in here, and it's very possible there is a bunch of extra code. So when I go to save this, it may be really blocky. All right? You don't want to do that. What you want to do is one of two things. So you can paste as plain text, all right? And now when you paste something, it's going to remove code, all right? So now if I go to save this, it won't have any background code in it. The other thing you can do is if you're using Word, you can click Paste from Word, paste in your stuff, okay? Proofread it a little, add paragraph, whatever you need to do, and then go ahead and insert, okay? Now you can see that there's maybe some potential problems. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to post this to the forum, and I'm going to pop it open and make sure it looks right, and it actually looked right, okay? So if it didn't, then I can go ahead and edit that and make some changes. So what I'm going to recommend you do is that you click, before you copy and paste things in, you click Paste from Word, paste in your text, remove any extra things, and go ahead and insert it. Now when you insert it, if you've put in some hyperlinks that didn't work, you're going to have to put those in again, okay? The other thing you can do, if you really don't want to do hyperlinks, is you can put them in manually, and direct people that way. But even if you do that, just do us a favor and hyperlink that manually. So it still makes it hot text, okay? All right, so that way when we go ahead and save these changes, when someone's looking at this, it's looking reasonably correct. The reason why this is really important is that if, as I kind of tried to point out, if every single thing we go to open here had an attachment we had to open, for me to read, or anyone to read, like 5 different things, we essentially have to download 5 different files. Instead, this is meant to be able to read and keep going right as we're going, all right? Now, if by chance when you go to add a discussion topic, you do not see any of these icons, then you are not using a browser that is compatible with Moodle, and you need to change to either Chrome, I think Firefox works, or Safari, but you need to be seeing these, okay? So if you don't see these, you have to change browsers to be able to successfully work in Moodle. It's that simple at this stage. All right, so start off, make sure you see these. Start pasting in from Word if that's where you're working. I think it works with Pages as well. And let's go from there. All right, thanks. Bye.